Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super fun Halloween drink. This is great to enjoy by yourself, and it's also a really fun one for the kids. It is called a vampire hot chocolate, and it gets that name because we are using our red velvet artisan in there, and this gives it a very beautiful red hue. And we'll also be using our white chocolate syrup for the hot chocolate essence of this drink. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. So the first step to this recipe is adding in all of our ingredients into a saucepan. We will put that onto a stove and heat it up until it is to our desired temperature. So that should really only take about 5 to 10 minutes. So I have 1.5 cups of milk here. I'm going to be using 2.5 pumps of our white chocolate syrup. And our syrups are super concentrated, so you don't need to use a lot to get that very bold white chocolate flavor. And also 2 tablespoons of our red velvet artisan. One. 2. And now I'm just going to put this on the stove, stir it up a little bit, and let it heat up. All right, so our milk is nice and hot, and now it is time to just pour that into our glass, and we'll top it with a little whipped cream. Very carefully so you don't spill anything. I have a little bit of extra here, which is totally fine. Save that if you want some more after you finish your glass. And the color is absolutely beautiful. Of course, we had to call it vampire hot chocolate because of that red hue. And I'm also going to just give it a nice little drizzle of chocolate syrup. And this is just Amoretti's regular dark chocolate syrup. If you don't have this on hand, any chocolate syrup will work fine. And there you have it. A vampire hot chocolate, perfect for more than just for Halloween. You can enjoy this all year round, but it's a really fun festive drink to make with your kids, make for yourself to celebrate this really fun and spooky holiday. So cheers. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any new recipes we share. Also, make sure to follow us on social media. You can find us as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. See you next time.